Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP. Today I'm going to show you how to make my sticky pork burgers with Hoisin Ketchup. This tastes amazing. Let's get on with it. Really easy to do. Right, so here I've got I'm actually using about 800 grams worth of pork mince that I've just bought from my local supermarket, but from the butcher, whatever you like. But normally you'd use about 500 grams. I'm going to add in 2 spring onions that I've finely sliced up. Give that a quick mix through, just like that. Really nice and simple. Okay, and the next thing we're going to do is going to add in around about 2 tablespoons worth of fried shallots. You can buy that from your Asian grocery, and you can actually find that in some supermarkets now. Give that a bit of a stir through. Right, here I've got around about a quarter cup of a good quality hoisin sauce, and I mean a good quality one because it gives you so much more flavour, and around about 2 tablespoons worth of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. Right, give all of that a bit of a mix through, just like I'm doing right there, and these flavours all work together in an incredible way, and it's really simple and easy to do. Alright, so mix those through just like we're doing right there. Okay, and I'm going to let that sit for a little bit of time as well. Add a little bit of white pepper in, and I'm going to leave it for about 20 minutes just to let it all get all those flavours all incorporated. So 20 minutes has gone past. I've got an ice cream scoop. Take a nice clump out, roll those around in your hands, give it a press down like that, and we're just going to continue all the way through. Now, all we have to do is let those all come together, just like we're doing right there, and we are now going to make up our sauce. So around about 2 tablespoons worth of hoisin sauce. That can go straight into a little bowl like that. I'm just going to use a nice ramekin, and we're going to add in 2 tablespoons worth of tomato sauce or tomato ketchup. That can go straight in. Now, I'm going to add in a little bit of lime juice, probably about half a lime's worth. Can go straight into that, and it's going to cut through some of that richness and sweetness that we've got in the hoisin. Alright, so give that a good stir through, and before you know it, we've got this amazing hoisin ketchup ready to serve with our burgers. Alright, let's make some burgers. First thing I'm going to do is get some nice little bread rolls. I'm going to cut those in half, just like that. Really nice and simple. And just watch your hands when you're doing this. Just be nice and careful with them. Alright, we can open those up. Now, we're going to have to do that with all of our buns, and I'm using 4 buns in total. I'm going to actually butter those up with some room temperature butter, and yes, I try to use real butter, not margarine. The butter gives you such a more satisfying flavour, believe it or not. Okay, so do all the rest of your buns just like that. Now we can get our barbecue or just a hot plate inside. You could even use a fry pan at a really good heat. We're going to put our buns down just only for a couple of minutes or so, or until we get a real nice toasty look. We're getting pretty close there. So get our buns like that, and we can put those aside ready for our burgers a little bit later on. Continue with the rest of your buns. As I said, we've got 2 buns, so it's 4 pieces per pair of buns that we need to toast up, just like that. And now we can get our burgers and just put those straight down on top of our hot plate. Okay, just like that. And the pork's got enough fat in there that we don't really need to grease it or anything like that. The fat's going to render down and sort of come out and lubricate our pork burgers. And they're only going to need to cook for probably around about 5 to 6 minutes per side, just depending on how you want your pork cooked. You can have it a little bit rare, but I wouldn't go really rare like you could do with a beef burger. So as you can see, we've got some real nice caramelization happening on those burgers, and that's because of the all the hoisin and gooiness that we put inside. Now I'm going to lay down a little bit of coleslaw I've just bought that one from the supermarket. You can add a different salad if you want. The coleslaw actually helps cut through the sweetness and stickiness of these burgers. So you can lay that down just like that. There goes our burger patty straight on top. As you see, that's a nice little plump burger, and we're going to start topping this off with a little bit of extra sauce. Okay, they can go straight on. Give it a little bit of a swirl around just like that. Really nice and simple, and these are a real intense flavour. They taste amazing and are so simple to do. I'm just going to add a little bit of alfalfa on top. You could add a little bit of lettuce if you wanted to, but I'm not going to finish there. I'm going to put a couple of onion rings as well, because what's a burger without having some onion of some sort on there. So a little bit of the alfalfa, it's going to give you that real nice ozone-y type flavour. Couple of onion rings on top, just like that, and before you know it, you're going to have the most amazing burger experience yet. Alright, we just put our lids on top, just like that, and there you go. You've got beautiful sticky pork burgers with Hoisin Ketchup. Thank you so much for watching this video, really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button, it gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We're trying to get the name of KP's Kingdom out there. Hit that notifications bell, you'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. If you want to learn how to make sort of Asian Western fusion meal just like this one, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button. You'll never miss another one of my videos. Again, I'll eat my sticky pork burgers with Hoisin Ketchup, and I will catch you next time. Bye.